Welcome to the College of Aeronautics at Hallmark University. This hangar houses all the equipment, aircraft, and training tools that students get to work on during their program. With the help of our experienced faculty, students will gain the fundamental skills needed to earn their airframe and power plant certification and start working in the field as an aircraft maintenance technician, also known as an AMT. This is our reciprocating engine lab. A reciprocating engine is a piston-driven engine and is the kind of engine you will see in most cars on the road today. Reciprocating engines are also used by most aircraft in the general aviation industry, including Cessna, Beechcraft, and Cirrus airframes. Students will gain hands-on experience performing maintenance, inspection, and overhaul tasks on these engines. This is our turbine engine lab. These are the kind of engines you will see on military, commercial, and corporate aircraft. Learning the fundamentals of maintenance and operation of these engines will provide our students with the skills they need to work for companies like Boeing, Gulfstream, all major commercial airline carriers, and many more. Modern aircraft are constructed with both metallic and non-metallic materials, and AMTs need to know how to maintain and work on these structures to ensure aircraft safety and stability. Here, in our structures lab, students are introduced to composite materials, including plastics, and maintenance and fabrication techniques for metallic structures. One of the major projects in our metallic structures lab is the fabrication of an airfoil. Students learn riveting techniques and use specialty sheet metal tooling to fabricate all the components of their airfoil, assemble it, paint it, and ultimately take it with them to show future employers what they can do. In our aircraft systems lab, students learn the basic operation principles, maintenance practices, and inspection techniques of the dozens of subsystems found on modern aircraft. Ensuring proper and regular maintenance of these subsystems is crucial to keeping an aircraft and its occupants safe. Students receive training on fuel and oxygen systems, landing gear and wheel assemblies, fire protection and other safety systems, and various avionics and electrical components essential for aircraft operations. We also house full aircraft in our hangar for students to perform inspections and practice their skills. The Cessna 150M, Cessna 210B, and the Robinson R-22 helicopter. Having access to these aircraft provides valuable context for the various techniques that aircraft maintenance technicians use every day. We build a strong foundation through practical, hands-on training, so when our students graduate, they will have everything they need to start working quickly and begin a successful career in aviation. Thank you for joining us at the College of Aeronautics at Hallmark University. For more information about our aeronautics programs, visit us at hallmark.edu or give us a call at 210-690-9000. We hope to see you in our hangar soon.